In this video, we will cover how to do a combine header height calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, press the Header tab, select the correct header, press the double-ended wrench, press Calibrate Header Sensor, read through the calibration instructions and press Next. Raise the header all the way up and press Set Max. Lower the header all the way down and press Set Min. After this is done, press Next. Select the correct crop type and raise your head to the desired cutoff point. You'll want to make this cutoff point slightly above your normal operating height and press Set Height. As you can see, it now says that my header is down, but if I raise my header above this cutoff point, it will now say up. Once this is done, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to do a combine header height calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.